The storm is coming.
Yes, we should go inside.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, we're together.
Wow, a water drop.
Yes, come here.
It's so cool.
It is, my dear.
Papa, the rain is so fun.
Come here, stay under the tarp.
My brave ones, come inside. There, a bit more warmth.
It's getting brighter.
Good. The rain is cold.
A blessing. How is the stew, Grandma?
It smells wonderful, dear.
Let me taste. Of course. Stir it gently, beta.
It smells so good.
Just a little longer.
I can't wait. Wow, it smells so good.
It's almost ready, dear.
Patience, child. Good food takes time.
This is so cozy, isn't it?
It is. Nothing like a fire.
Yes, please, it's yummy.
This tea is perfect tonight.
Yes, the warmth is so comforting.
It is a perfect evening.